Innovation is a very important topic for us at Vorwerk. We try to innovate everything to serve our community with the best products and services which are possible. If we talk about innovation, I would like to talk about the Thermomix. Just a couple of days ago, we launched a new product, the sensor. And this sensor is a very important example for the next level of innovation regarding the Thermomix. Because this brings us to a new level of our success guarantee, because if you need to use an oven or a grill, this success guarantee is now extended. Very important topic for us. I'm regularly asked, when can we expect the new Thermomix? And this is a very, very important question. I can tell you something that regarding 2024, there will be no new Thermomix, because we don't need a new Thermomix. We innovate our products regularly, as I said, so we guarantee with all the developments that our advisors have the best products in their hand to fulfill all the needs of our customers worldwide.